All right, let's unbag the DreamWear Nasal Mask. All right, let's unbag the DreamWear Nasal Mask. All right, let's open this bad boy up. So, when you order a DreamWear Nasal Mask, what's really cool is it's actually gonna come with all 3 sizes of the cushions included. So you're gonna have your medium, medium wide, as well as a large cushion. So you don't have to worry about sizing yourself prior. You just order it and figure out which one works best for you. Now, first thing that you're gonna notice is how tiny this actually is. It is such a small little package, and that makes it really easy to travel with as you're going on your trips. Now it just folds open, no problem, and you can see it's actually already put together with a small cushion on there. So pretty standard mask, 1 strap around the back, very, very light, and that's everything that's gonna come in the bag for you. So if you wanna switch out the cushions, like myself, I already know I wear a medium right off the bat. All you need to do is just unplug it right here. You're just pulling the cushion off like that. Put that off to the side. Grab your new cushion, and we're just popping this bad boy on. Now, to make it easy for you, they do put the little medium with the arrow, and you just want to make sure that lines up with the arrow on the tubing there, okay? So you just gonna go ahead and clip those in like that, and you're good to go. And that's how you put your new cushion on your DreamWear Nasal Mask. So overall, really easy, really cool that it comes with everything included for you, and you're ready to get started using your Respironics DreamWear Nasal Mask.